In today's video, I'm going to show you guys just exactly how I snatch my waist without exercising, without Photoshop, and without plastic surgery. So if you want to learn all my secrets, then go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, you guys, let's go ahead and get into today's video. So I'm going to show you not one, not two, but 3 ways that I snatch my waist without using exercise, which I do exercise. So if you exercise on top of doing these things, it's just going to help snatch you even more. But I'm going to show you how I snatch my waist without exercising, without using Photoshop, and without plastic surgery. So if you have been feeling bad about yourself, trust me, you don't need to. Like, you are beautiful just the way you are. But if you want to be a little extra more snatched, like even me, people are like, oh my god, you're so skinny. But listen, sometimes I just want to be a little extra more. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to show you how I do that today. So the 2 products that I talk about today are going to be listed in the description box below, of course. So the first one that I'm going to talk about is my waist trainer. So I've had this waist trainer for maybe 5 years now. 5 years, and it's still going really strong. This is a latex waist trainer. It does not have any steel boning. It does have some boning here in the front. I'm gonna show you guys so you can see that. But it's not steel. It's like, I'm sure I can look it up, but it's like a plastic flexible material to kind of just help you shape your waist, and it's not going to cause that damage that metal steel boning does. So I know that was a common misconception when waist trainers first came out. They were like, oh my god, these are so bad for you, blah 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 blah. This is a latex waist trainer, okay? It's latex. It promotes water loss. So this is not like a regular steel bone corset. This is not going to move your organs or your bones or anything like that. So I'm going to show you guys really quick how I put it on, because a lot of girls are going to get this in the mail, they're going to get it home, and they're going to be like, I don't want to put this on. I can't put this on. Listen, when I first got it, it was really hard to put on. But I'm going to show you today how I do it. And mine is in the size 34, and this is a small, yes, it is a small. 34 is a small. I believe 32 is an extra small. So we're gonna bring it around the waist like that. You don't want it to be too high, but you don't want it to be too low either. You want it to be just about right. When you tighten it, it should lay down to where it naturally needs to be. So I'm gonna go on just the first one. I probably could go on the second one, but we're just gonna go on the first one so I can show you. Listen, this is not going to be a pretty process. You're gonna see this roll right here, okay? So don't be alarmed. It's okay. So we're just gonna button it up from the top down. See that? Oh, that's hot, ain't it? See, and sometimes they come undone. Okay. Actually, that's really not tight enough for me. It really should be on the next one, but I just want to show you guys. So I use this when I should use it when I'm sitting my ass right here at the computer, but I don't. But I use this when I'm running around the house cleaning, when I'm working out, when I'm outside playing with my kids, like anything that you're doing where you're getting aerobic exercise, you can wear this. This is going to promote water loss. It's going to help you sweat. It does not stay, and it provides you with a high level of compression. So it has a latex lining, but then it's cotton on the inside, so it provides freshness and comfort and protects your skin from the latex. And what I like about it is that when you need to tighten it more, you can, so it's got the different hooks in it, so you can tighten it. So not only is it going to help your waist here, it's also going to help your abdomen here and your lower back right here. Now, some people have asked me about washing this. You do not want to wash this. You can use a mild soap. I always recommend baby soap to people. Like, if you don't know what soap to use on anything, use a baby soap, a baby wash. It's always going to be free, gentle, and clear, and good for your skin. So yes, you can wipe this off with soap, but you do not want to submerge this. You don't want to get the latex wet, and you do not want to machine wash it. So don't do that, you'll ruin it. But yeah, this really helps cinch my waist. It's been my go-to. Like I said, I will insert a couple of pictures here for you, but I have been using this garment for years. I absolutely recommend it. I love it. I don't really like those ones. Like, I've seen a couple ones now where they have like the extra thing where you can like Velcro it closed, but I feel like those don't sit right. They always sit way up high, like up here on your rib, and I'm like, that's not where that's supposed to go. But that's just kind of my take on it. Like I said, I got this when they first came out, and I've loved it. Like, you know, there weren't very many brands on the market. This is actually a Colombian brand, and my print was limited edition, so you actually can't get my print anymore. So sorry about that. But you know me, I love to be original, love to, you know, have what nobody else has. But as you can see, even if you want to go out and run errands and stuff in this, you can definitely do that. It's very comfortable. It's very comfortable. You can sit down, bend over, do what you need to do. So yeah, you can do all that, and it's still very comfortable and lightweight. So yeah, that, I love it, and I really had to tell you guys about that, because I know that there's a lot of products out here on the market, but I want you to get the best bang for your buck. Obviously, I really hate buying things that are like a waste of my money. So that's why I started doing reviews. I started doing reviews so I could let my friends and family know, hey, I had really good luck with this product. Yes, definitely try it, or no, I don't really think you want to buy that, or, you know, whatever. If you do, go ahead. So, yeah, I really wanted to let you guys know about this waist trainer because I've had it for years. It's dependable, it's affordable, and I know that you will love it. So, let's move on to the next thing that we're going to talk about. So, yes, the second piece that we're going to talk about today is shapewear. So, I've seen so much shapewear out there on the market. I've tried Spanx, I've tried whatever the fuck Kim's line is, and I really don't like any of it. This is the best. I don't even know, this was like $4 or something like that. This is the best $5 you will ever spend. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go get a dress. I'm gonna try the dress on for you without the shapewear. Then I'm gonna show you what the dress looks like with the shapewear, because this is the bomb. So I found a lot that were like bikini cut in the back, but my bottom half is so big that it would literally like cut my butt in half, you know what I'm saying? I did do a blog post on this when I first got it and shared it, but it was not widely publicized, it wasn't very popular, so hopefully you guys will be able to see it in this video and take advantage of it, because like I said, it's the bomb. I'm just trying to turn you on here. Like, I'll be right back. I'm gonna get that dress. So here's the dress with my normal underwear. These are actually very loose. They're not tight underwear at all, so they're not like cutting me in half like normal underwear would. Like normally they would go like cut me off right there. But yeah, so as you can see, I feel like you can kind of still see the underwear a bit. So you can kind of see here, look, I'm getting ready to start my period, so you can judge me if you want to. I don't really care because I ain't trying to impress nobody. But yeah, I'm just trying to turn my sisters on to some good products. So, as you can see, this is what it looks like without the shapewear. Now I'm going to go put on the shapewear and show you the difference. So here we are with the shapewear. As you can see, my stomach is like gone, non-existent, which I really love. Okay, so with this dress, I feel like you can still kind of see through it and see where the underwear starts, but you can't really see where the underwear ends. I really like this shapewear. I could show you in another dress, but I feel like this is the most form-fitting see-through dress that I have, so you can kind of see like what exactly it looks like. So yeah, so I don't want you to be able to see my crotch, but I do want to pull this up just so you can kind of see like how high-waisted it is. It is pretty high-waisted, but again, it's really nice. It comes right above my belly button. That's kind of what they look like. You're not gonna get any booty. But yeah. So it looks good in a lot of dresses. This dress, you can just kind of like see everything through this dress. Like, again, like I said, I just wanted you to have a really good example about what it looked like. So in a lot of clothing, you cannot see through it like this. Like, honestly, in a lot of clothes that I wear, look, you can really not even see it there. But in a lot of clothes that I wear, you really cannot tell that I'm wearing anything at all. And see, the more you move and the more you scrunch up this dress, the more you're really not going to notice it. So, I mean, I'm sure a lot of you have seen me in public and had no idea I was wearing shapewear. And it's funny because a lot of people, they don't think that skinny people wear shapewear, but like I said, sometimes you just want to be a little extra more snatched, right? So, nothing wrong with that, sis. Okay, so for the final way, let me go ahead and change my outfit again, and I'm going to show you our third and final way. That was quick, right? That was so cute. I love it. Okay. So the next way I'm going to show you is really just about your placement of clothes, okay? As you can see, I'm sorry, I still have those black underwear on, so you can't really tell. Okay, there you go. There's like my hip bone right there. So my belly button's about right here. So a lot of people, they normally wear their stuff down on their hips, right? Right. Okay. Well, I mean, that's all fine and dandy, but I feel like things look even better if you just want to pull them up a little more. Not only is it going to help make your waist look smaller, because literally your hip is down here. You can wear it on your hip, but if you pull it up, it's going to accentuate the smallness of your waist and the fullness of your hips. So, pull them up a little bit more. Not only is it going to help your hip, but it's also going to help your booty, girl. So, wow, I can't believe I've lost some weight, y'all. I've never been able to tie these. My friend Christina told me I looked skinny the other day. Yes! I mean, tell me, there's not a difference. But even if you've got jeans that sit real low, right? Think about pulling your underwear up to sit over that hip bone, because what that is going to do is it's going to act just like this shapewear here, okay? Your underwear is going to pull in your hips right there. So if you, let me just demonstrate. Example, look, I'm going to give you 4 examples, even though this is kind of in the same line with number 3. Okay, so not only are we going to move this more up, right? Look at the difference that makes. Okay, so not only are we going to move those up, sis, but listen, if you don't have any shapewear, take your underwear, pull it up to your hip bone, and that's going to help shape you also, okay? Because then you won't have your underwear sticking out right here in the middle, you know what I'm saying? That is going to help you too. So not only is it about the placement of your pants, it's also about the placement of your underwear, the placement of your shirt. If you pull your shirt way down here, what does that make you look like? That's not cute. So you just need to watch how you're making your body look, you know what I mean? Like, a lot of people freak out when they can't fit into their old size clothing anymore, and I was definitely one of those people. Like, I couldn't fit in any of my size 5 jeans. I'm like, why? Why can't I fit in these size 5 jeans? But that's okay. If you size up and get a size that actually fits you, you'll feel so much more comfortable and you won't feel big. You know what I'm saying? Because you're not busting out of your clothes. All you need to do is accentuate your positives and hide the negatives. It's all about embracing who you are and learning what works for you and what doesn't. So I hope that these 3 tips really helped you guys. Of course, if you want to check out the 2 products that I mentioned today, I'll leave a link in the description box below. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I love answering comments. I love when I get comments from random people who don't know me, because that just means that random people are watching my YouTube videos and like not people that I'm actually promoting them to. So I really love that. Please, 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 please. If you have not, please subscribe to my channel. I'm doing a giveaway when I get to 1K. And I have plenty of more giveaways planned after that. I'm going to be giving away a Nikita Dragon Fire Skin Perfecting Potion. And her the face palette or whatever it was. Like, I can't remember the name of it. It's gonna come in her original box and her dragon egg. So if you want to be entered to win that, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you stay tuned for all of my giveaways. You can follow me on Instagram at Miss So Elegant. If you want to participate in polls or questions or any of the giveaway options that I do post in my story, make sure you follow me. Woo! I feel like I rambled a lot in this video, but I hope that you guys liked it. I really enjoyed making today's video. I feel really pretty in my makeup. I'm just saying, like, it's been so long since I've been able to come on camera and have makeup on. So I'm starting to feel like myself again. I got a lot of stuff off my chest earlier in a video that I did earlier where I actually did this makeup. So if you want to check that out, I'm sure it's going to be on my channel. I don't know which one I'm going to upload first, but... So yeah, I guess that's it for today's video. I really loved it. I hope you guys did too. If you liked it, comment below. Tell me what you liked most about this video. Tell me kind of like, what was your favorite thing that you got from this video? If you have a waist trainer that you already use that you love, comment below and tell me what it is. Of course, all the sisters would like to know, I'm sure. So I guess that's it for this video, you guys. As always, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching my channel. Even if you don't subscribe, thank you for being here and watching my video. But of course, I would like you to subscribe. But until next time, I hope I'll see you then. Later, I love you guys.